Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to disable or delete apps like Safari, Wallet and Camera on iPhone phones with iOS 12 on it. So to do that you must go to settings and here just scroll down and hit on screen time. And now again hit on content and privacy restriction, and here you must enable content and privacy restriction, and now just go to allowed apps. Okay, and from here you can disable the Safari or the wallet if you want, if you don't want to use it anymore. And now let's go back and exit. And as you can see, I don't have any more Safari, and also I don't have any more wallet. Okay, now to put it back, just go back and go to allowed apps and hit enable on Safari and wallet, and now go back. And as you can see, it's back, the Safari and the wallet. Okay. Also from here you can disable mail, camera, Siri and dictation, AirDrop and CarPlay, podcast and news. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.